Hey guys, welcome to Campbell River, Vancouver Island. Big winter storm today, so I thought I'd take a walk. Well, wind's gusting up to about 50 miles an hour, but I want to try out a couple new things Anne got me for Christmas. She got me some fleece-lined work pants and also a toque and a scarf and some rain pants. Woohoo! And I'm going to use my North Face windbreaker, North Face rain jacket, and I also have a wool sweater here. It's all about layers here. This is actually made in BC, Lund, BC, called Pollen Sweaters, and it's a wool sweater, really good. So I'm going to layer up, and I'm going to take you for a walk out the Spit. I'll bring along my little waterproof action cam here, and maybe get some footage of the wild ocean out there. Let's suit up. Okay, ready to go. Anne's coming. Anne's coming. Here we go. Watch the door doesn't fling back. I'll hold the door. Go around here so we see ourselves in the other camera. Wait for this camera. Show the skirting. Look how high they are. Woo. It's high. off because of this. High tide on the estuary. Can't even get out to the dock. Look how it's tilted up. Oh no! Somebody's air conditioner blew up. Oh no! His air conditioner blew out. Holy crap! Wow!
You must know.
I guess so. Look at ours, has a nice little cover on it.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. Okay, that was a fun little walk, wasn't it?
I know.
Oh my God!
Kind of exhilarating, yeah.
I was gonna go to the end, but I gave up because coming back, you're just getting pelted. Anyway, that poor guy's air conditioner blew apart next to us. Anyway, I think we're gonna take a drive through town. We'll go down and see how the boats are doing, and maybe drive down the coast a bit where it's actually supposed to be even windier. Maybe we'll get some big surf storm watching. So let's go. There we go, we got some serious surf, and at high tide too. Not a good day to go swimming. Nasty. What do you think of that storm? Pretty brutal, eh, Peril?
Yep. Brutal. Yeah, it's a brutal storm, Ray. Yep.
Definitely brutal.
Nice that you agree with everything I say. Well, I think we should go check out the river, see what it's doing. I bet it's running pretty strong. pretty high. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed that little look at one of our big winter storms here on Vancouver Island. You can see down here on this this is the windy.com webpage, and you can see we're going to hit around pretty close to 60-mile-an-hour winds this afternoon, around 90 kilometers. So it's pretty good storm. And you get the southeast coming right up this strait here and slamming right along Campbell River. That's where we took a drive down there. And you can see if I zoom out here, we got some more storms on the way out in the Pacific here. It's dark patches. They're just lined up to come in. And you can see it looks like maybe Friday we got another big storm coming. Till next time, Ray from LoveYourRV.com. Cheers, folks.